pose I whale. Whoa, whoa. But Faune talia malu, tupu maoli, Tagata whanua. Whoa, whoa. Your Majesty, King Tuheitia, Pootatau to Wherowhero, I stand with humility here, but it also warms the heart of Tagata Moana to see Your Majesty, King Tupu. It warms our heart to also see Ariki Kukaileni. This morning there was drizzle of the rain as we made our way down from Auckland. We did not see rain. We felt the tears of our ancestors at Hawaii and the Pacific. It is tears of joy. The good book says it took 40 years for the Israelites to make it to the promised land. Your Majesty, Pacific people in the recent migration have been traveling to New Zealand since the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, up to today. It has taken 70 years for Tagata Moana who are residing in Aotearoa to stand on the paipai of Turangawaewae. It is an honor, it is a privilege, Your Majesty, that you have reached out to Tagata of the Moana across the motu to invite them to be here today. We have heard the call for iwi across the motu to be united, and we were ready to come and stand with you. And this morning we have accepted your invitation, your leadership to also bring our tuakaras from the islands to stand with the Kiingitanga. Today, Your Majesty, Tonga is in the house. Cook Island is in the house. Fiji is here with us. Niue is present, Your Majesty. Tokelau stands with you today. Tuvalu, they are present with us today. Kiribati is here with us. The Solomon Islands are present today. Vanuatu, they are here with you, Your Majesty. Papua New Guinea wouldn't miss it for the world or those small in numbers. And that is the chant of this morning, to lead our Pacific Tagata Moana from across the motu to acknowledge Your Majesty. The biggest group that are here today, Your Majesty, some of them are overstayers, but that's okay. Tupu will come to you on that. And that is our Samoans. So I turn and look at that side. Tuku Morgan. I look at you, I see a resemblance of Pakilau here, but without the hair. Rahui, good to see you. I look at you and I see a resemblance of Judge Tuilangi here on this side. The moral of the story is that you're welcome into the family today. I will allow each island, Your Majesty, to say a few words in their own mother tongue. They would like to present some traditional gifts from the island. I hope you will allow us. I know there is waiata after each speech, but when God created heaven and the earth, the only people he blessed with the good voices was Māori people. And so, Rahui, you will forgive us if some of us won't sing, but we will dance because it's a special day. Your Majesty, some of us may not dance, but we brought a brass band so that we can do some actions here. And with that, we also acknowledge unity in diversity. Although a Samoan orator, I acknowledge also that it's Tongan Language Week. And with that, Your Majesty, to bow, I brought a Tongan choir to do my waiata. Maika kua whipese, Tonga, come up. Come here. Come. Yeah, okay. Some of them, King Tupu of our choir, haven't eaten since last night, so they will sit and sing this morning. But today they will stand to honor Your Majesty Tuheitia, but also acknowledge Your Majesty King Tupu. Tau pesi. Maguia le go faiga la afioga le kupu. E foi le fa moe ka ko ki ko faafeiloai le kausanga. Your Majesty, blessings from the Pacific this morning for your reign. And I hope you will invite us back next year. Sorry,